What's going on, guys? It's Adam from Beyond the Grid and welcome back to my channel. Recently I swapped in my Mavic Pro for the new Mavic Air. So the only problem with these drones is when you're shooting video and you're trying to get the 2:1 frame rate, it's almost impossible when you guys are shooting in the sun. Well, that's where ND Filters comes in, and that's what this video is all about. But if you close your eyes. So if you guys clicked on this video, you guys probably already have an idea what ND filters are, but if you guys don't and you guys are looking at picking up a pair, let's just go over it really quickly. They're sunglasses for your lens. When you're out shooting in the bright sun and you're trying to get that 2:1 frame rate and you kind of want to make that motion blur, that cinematic look, you really need that 2:1. 2:1 is where you're shooting double your frame rate to your shutter speed. So you're shooting a 24 frame rate, you're shooting a 50 shutter speed. And it kind of creates that natural motion blur that everyone's after and your eyes really pick up on. Well, if you don't shoot that way, your video either looks choppy or looks too crisp and it just looks really strange to your eye. Well, that's where ND filters come in. They're gonna be sunglasses for your lens and allow you to drop your shutter speed and get that 2:1 rate. So I picked up these ND filters by PYGTech. I picked up the 4-pack. You can pick up the 6 if you want to. I only needed the 4, 8, 16, and 32. I don't really need to go much higher than that. As you guys can see, they're actually pretty good build quality. The material is made out of some sort of metal. So the ones I picked up are the Polarized. These ones are going to take off any glare off of water or any metallic surfaces that you might be shooting at, but they do have the other options if you guys wanted to pick up those. So in starting up the drone with the ND filter attached, I never got any errors or any gimbal errors or anything while the gimbal was going through its actions and balancing itself. So what I did to give you guys a comparison of what these ND filters are going to give you is I flew the drone in almost the same path, switching on and off the ND filters, working my way up from the 8 all the way to the 32. And I ran it in auto without adjusting anything in manual, just to allow the sensor to adjust everything itself to really give it what I want it to do. These are unedited. I didn't adjust them. I didn't do anything exposure wise or add a LUT or anything. So here they are. So coming in around 50 bucks, these are definitely competitors towards the PolarPros, and the quality is there. I never had an issue when I was shooting with them. And after I edited a lot of my footages, I was extremely happy with what I got. So if you want to pick them up, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. And if you guys are shooting outside, you guys should definitely think about picking up some ND filters. So if you guys are still on the fence about these and you guys don't know what the actual quality is, and you guys want to see what they look like edited, maybe color corrected, maybe a LUT added, well, I put that at the end of this video. So if you guys found this video helpful at all, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. If you guys are not a subscriber, I mean, why aren't you? Hit that subscribe button. And until the next video, enjoy that footage.
Go,